San Miguel in Cervello?
So far, we're okay dahil katatapos lang ng last championship which is All Filipino. And then this coming season, mag-i-start ulit ng All Filipino. And then marami nagsasabi na pagka All Filipino, nado-dominate namin. That was before, but today, we don't know yet because the lahat ng team nag-level up na. And that's the hardest thing for San Miguel team. Lahat ng kanila mga mata nasa amin, kung saan nasa summit kami. So, kailangan sungkitin nila ito. And then, alam ko na this will be a difficult season for us because everybody is trying to beat us.
What's the roster changes?
Yung roster namin ng last conference, which is All Filipino, intact yun eh. Dahil 13 lang na kami. And then during the drafting day, nakakuha kami ng 3 players na pwede sa amin, pandagdag and future na rin namin. And then yung first pick namin at number 9 sa first round. So na-sign up na namin, pati yung third round namin si Royce Mantua. And then may another one na gusto kong ilagay din sa reserve namin, si Justin Guevara, but it will depend on what they're practicing. But so far, they're playing well in the practice. Although, napakaikli lang ng time namin para mag-practice dahil alam natin na yung team namin ay nagkaroon ng mahabang break after the championship, which is, I think, deserving naman sila eh. And ngayon, naghahabol sila because opening is just 12 days away. So, I hope na makakatap kami lahat.
Ano lang masasabi mo so far sa laro ni Cristina?
Very impressive siya sa pinapractice niya dahil we're looking for somebody who could gel right away with the team, and then he can play a combo guard. But I think he's focused on playing as a point guard. But we will see in the next few days pagka nagkaroon kami ng tune-up kung ano talaga meron siya. But as far as our knowledge concerned regarding his performance in the combined draft and then yung mga video na kukuha namin, during practice ay nakikita naman namin eh. And I hope na magdire-diretso yung kanyang mga ginagawang mabuti para sa team.
Makakonsider mo ba na sinuwerte kayo na nakuha si Cristina? O sa last game of the draft?
Hopefully, sana yung sinasabi nila ay magkatotoo. But I'm confident na he could help a lot sa team namin.
Nabanggit mo naman na different championship o Philippine Cup.
Except yung mga na pumasok doon sa semifinals ng last conference, there are emerging team from the bottom, and then dahil makikita natin itong Converge talagang in the past few weeks, nakikita natin yung development sa kanilang team, and then ganun din yung Rain or Shine, and they're having a lot of tune-up games. And then Meralco is playing well in the tune-up games, and Token Tex is acquiring a lot of veterans player. So I think that's simply reason nila is they're always looking San Miguel as the team to beat, but we're winning because I think maswerte rin kami dahil the players are trying to show them that their winning attitude is still right there. But in terms of talent, equally the same naman compared to the Token Tex, Ginebra, Magnolia, and then North, Converge, and then Meralco, and then Rain or Shine. Everybody's trying to beef up their team and even Blackwater is makikita natin maganda inilalaro nila sa dahil the right pieces na kailangan nila, I think slowly nakukuha na nila.
CJ okay na yung English nila, si Juma. Na-English sila nung final is Gilas.
Today is June Mars, third day of practice dahil alam naman natin na before going to the Gilas para sa Dubai, is coming from an injury. Hindi lang napansin ng mga kalaban namin during the semifinals at finals dahil magagaling yung mga PT namin trainer, minamanage nila kung paano hindi ma-aggravate yung kanyang injury. That's why makikita natin he's not the usual Junmar na naglaro dito sa national team sa Gilas. But right now, slowly nakaka-recover siya, no? And then 3 days pa lang siya nagpa-practice. And then si CJ, pagdating niya talagang nakita namin yung result ng kanyang MRI. It's a grade 3 sprain, ano? And then pagdating niya, nakita ko magapa rin yun, eh. After a month, nakikita namin. But he keeps on doing well sa practice, individual practice. Nag-workout siya, nag-shooting siya, but hindi pa siya nakakasabay sa, sa team workout.
Posibleng hindi maglaro si CJ sa
Yan din na tinanong ko sa kanya kung makakahabol siya, and then actually ngayon pa lang gusto niya maglaro, eh. But our PT is talagang pinagbawalan siya, no. Hindi pa siya sumasama sa mga 3-on-3, 4-on-4, 5-on-5. Basta individual training lang siya, skills, shooting, and then weightlifting. Hanggang ngayon yun pa lang. Pero in-assure kami niya na kaya ko maglaro, pero of course may intention siya not to aggravate the situation, because ayaw nating tumagal yun, as much as possible. Baka yung mga first few games limited time, or we don't know yet.
Basta pigil na San Miguel yung grad silang na kila season, pero ano masasabi mo na parang mas lumakas sila ngayong Filipino with Kevin Ferrer, tapos possibly babalik si Jason?
First of all, during the championship, we're not out there to stop their Grand Slam, but we're out there to win a championship dahil that is our seventh final appearance. I mean, in the championship, this is my seventh time, and I'm so happy with the players because pinanindigan nila yung sinasabi nilang iba yung mga may pinagsamahan, and then makikita mo naman during that time yung mga players from the bench up to the starter namin they perform well, and then actually yung bench namin at saka yung starter equally the same yung yung kanilang average of playing time, except maybe si Junmar at saka si CJ Perez, dahil alam naman natin yung dalawa iba yung nilalaro.
Ano masasabi mo sa TNT na
yung TNT it's the right thing hindi lang TNT, every team naman makikita mo yung conversion, rain or shine, dahil hinahanap nila yung right pieces para itapat sa dahil alam natin na yung Token Tex in the past few weeks nakuha nila yung mga veterans player, unlike si Kevin Ferrer nakuha nila, and then si Evan Nava, and these three players before is talagang kailangan hinahanap ko yan. Unfortunately, wala pang lugar sa amin yung time na yun. And then si Evan Nava, supposed to be nasa amin yan, kaya lang may limited numbers of PLM. So number 8 siya, number 9, so yun ang nangyari.